Google Pixel 7 pricing is out for the both US and European markets, and you guys will be surprised to see how much price we are going to get in the Pixel 7 and Pixel 7 Pro. As listed on Amazon, Pixel 7 will cost $599 in the US, but guess what? Yes, we were going to see a price jump in European market but less than what we was expecting. Pixel 7 128GB version will cost you around €649 because of currency devaluation, but this is less compared to what Apple did with the iPhone 14 lineup. A good news for people who wants to get in a Pixel 7 Pro, since as per rumors, Pixel 7 Pro will cost the same across the US and European markets. $899 for the US, €899 or £899 for the European market. This is the best what Google can do to compete with the other smartphones including iPhone and Samsung. First, it was Pixel 7 Pro official teaser, and now the Pixel 7 official teaser is out, and this looks similar to the Pixel 7 Pro, except one thing. There is one lens missing on the back. Other than that, both phones share the same design, but the specification on the Pixel 7 and Pixel 7 Pro are different. Mainly the display. Pixel 7 comes with a 6.3 inches 90Hz display, where Pixel 7 Pro comes with a 6.7 inches 120Hz display. The bad news for the people who like bigger storage options, since as per rumors and Amazon listing, Pixel 7 and 7 Pro will come with the two storage options, 128GB and 256GB, no 512GB version, but the RAM is different on both devices, 8GB of RAM on Pixel 7 and 12GB of RAM on Pixel 7 Pro. The big update we are going to get in this year Pixel 7 Pro is its new Tensor Gen 2 chipset. Now, why you guys should be excited about this new chipset? Not because it's too powerful, instead, Google is trying something new with the Tensor Gen 2 chipset. Google is updating the machine learning by 35% and 20% GPU performance improvements, which is something new on any smartphone, and this improvement is a good news for a camera lover since this will improve camera a lot, where we will get a 50 megapixel main shooter, 12 megapixel ultra wide just like the last year, but telephoto lens and selfie shooter is getting an update. 48 megapixel telephoto shooter with the Samsung GM1 sensor, and on both Pixel 7 and 7 Pro we're going to get a new 11 megapixel selfie shooter, which is a new sensor Samsung 3J1, which will bring autofocus in the both Pixel 7 and Pixel 7 Pro. Google Pixel 7 and 7 Pro are already in the stores like Target and will be out when Google will announce Pixel 7 and 7 Pro on October 6, where you can start pre-ordering the same day your Pixel 7 and Pixel 7 Pro. And if you pre-order from Target, you guys will get some gift, $100 gift on Pixel 7 and $200 gift on the Pixel 7 Pro. Seems like a great deal, right? And then the phones will hit the market on October 13. Google Pixel 7 is out ahead of its time, but do you guys know that the unboxing video of the Pixel 7 Pro is already out, which you can check in this video? I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.